Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
In the previous class, we have done one activity. Just let all others enter. Otherwise, they will ask ma'am what we are doing. Let others also enter. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Is we made like this 1 multiplied by 18 and we made 18 boxes like this, right? At the second column, do one thing, draw like this. Just wait a minute. Hello. Okay, see here. Then second one, what you have done? Second one, you have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here you make 9 columns and here you make 2 columns. Okay, now at the third one, at the third column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 like that and 3 like this.
Ma'am, in revision notebook.
Who is asking this in revision notebook?
Ma'am Anushka.
Beta, were you present last time? Hridyansh, are you from 4th B or 4th A? B. If there is any A student, 4th A student, go and join Palak ma'am's link. Go and join Palak ma'am's link. Also, third one also Pratyusha, you have done. Yes, Pratyusha has done nicely. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, draw these lines also. Draw these lines also and write like this also. For example, you have done 9. So you write 18 is equals to 9 2s are 18. If you have done 18 like this, then you can write 3 6 are 18.
Okay, ma'am.
Write this. If you have not done the third one, do the third one also. Let me see how many of you have done this. Show me. If you have done all 3, show me. If you have done all 3,
Ma'am,
show
I'll
me.
send it to you.
On WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Mehul. Good, beta. But draw these lines also with a scale, Mehul. Good, Mehul. Write 3 6 18. Send it to me on WhatsApp. Once you have done it, all 3, send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, I'm going to note down those names which are those who are sending me the activity. Okay, those who are not sending me the activity, I will not give them marks. I'm telling you. So send me your activity.
Ma'am, I can send you after the class?
Yes, you can send me after the class. Not after, no, not after the class. Sorry, beta. You have to send it to me right now on WhatsApp. If not able to send it now because you're using a laptop, so you can do one thing. You can tell me your name. I will note down your name. Only those students will be allowed to send it. Okay. Draw the third one also by 3 6 by 3. Then I'll explain you what we are doing. Once you will all complete it, then I will tell you what is this activity, what you have done. Because you have not done it, all those switch on your cameras. Pratyush, have you done it? Garv, done?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Samar, done? Samar, have you done it?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Samar, have you done it?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly.
Join the meeting again. Om, Vivek, Swarnim.
Ma'am, in
Om,
second,
Vivek, Swarnim.
it have 20.
What?
Ma'am, I am doing. Yes, ma'am.
Send me the answers. Send me this work. Swarnim, send me this work. Bhavishya, send me this work. Devyang, send me this work quickly. Devyang.
Ma'am, Bhavishya is doing.
Be quick, everyone. Even those who are sending me the recording also, those who are will watch the recording also, I want this activity to be done of each and every one in the class. I think 34 students are there in the class. I want each and everyone's activity to be there. I'm going to note down these names. I've noted down 4 names here till now. Adrika, Afraz, and Anjali has an excuse. They will send me after the class, but you can also send me after the class. But this activity is a compulsory. Otherwise, there is one column of notebook and discipline in your this report card. You will get 0 in that if you will not send me the activity. Even those, if you are watching this recording also, as a recording also, then also you have to send me this activity. Activity is important. I want each and every student's activity to be here. Where's
Ma'am,
your
please
activity,
side.
Devansh? Where's your activity, Devansh?
Ma'am, please at the side.
Where's your activity? Show me your activity, Devansh Chaudhary. I'm talking to you. Show me the activity on the camera. Nobody is doing anything except a few students. They have done it and they have shown it to me. Rest of them are sitting idle, switching off their cameras and sitting idle behind the cameras. In my period, it is compulsory to switch on your cameras. I will grant the permission to few of you, only those whose networks are not good. Only those will not be allowed for the camera, except that everyone has to switch on the. Okay, Hridyansh. And if you don't know how to do this, you can see the recording of the previous session. You can see the previous session with recording, previous class recording. Okay, Hridyansh, I got your answer. Hridyansh, beta, you have done it correct, but the lines are not cut properly. They are not in a straight line.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
boxes are not equal, if I can see here. Okay, the boxes are not coming equal. One is cut it from one side, one other one is cut it from another side. It is wrong in this way.
Ma'am, we have to do.
Now let me explain you this activity. What is it? See, everyone look here. Those who are doing it, just do it. See, what is this activity? Now, because second part of this activity, you have to do it yourself. So listen it properly. See, we have to take out the factors of 18. Factors of 18. Okay, how can we take out the factors of 18? So we have cut one line. You want 18 boxes. Okay, you have a sheet of paper and you want 18 boxes. How can you cut it out? You can cut it out like this. One box, like one line and 18 boxes out of it. One line, in one line, 18 boxes. If you count the total number of boxes, how many boxes will be there? 8 boxes will be there. Okay, how many boxes will be there? 8 boxes will be there. Then that means 1 and 8 are factors of 8. If you stick this strip like this also, if you going to stick this strip like this also, then there will be 18 boxes like this and one like this. That means 1 and 18. Sorry, not 8. It's 18. 1 and 18 like this. 18 like this and 1 like that. Okay, now you want another way of is doing this is you are going to cut 2 lines. In 2 lines you are going to cut. You are not going to use 2 lines, and we want 18 boxes. How can you have 18 boxes within 2 lines? How many boxes?
Ma'am,
are
in two
there?
lines, we
Yes, Adrika.
boxes should be 9, ma'am, because ma'am, in both the lines we need 9 boxes because the
Yes, Pratyusha. Very good, Adrika. Yes, Pratyusha.
Ma'am, in two boxes we can make like this. In upper row we can make 9 boxes. Down also we can make 9 boxes.
Yes, 9 boxes up one and 9 boxes down one in 2 lines. And total, if you count 1, 2, 3,
18.
4, total it will be 18. So another factor of 18 will be 2 and 9.
9.
Another way, but Vidya, if you are going to do it horizontally also, like 9
It
boxes
will
like
be
this
same.
and 2 like this, 9 like this and 2 like this, then it will
Ma'am,
be
it will be
also
the
same.
same only.
It will be same only. Okay. Now see, if you are going to have 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and here you are having 6. Okay. You are having, sorry, if you are having 1, 2, 3 lines, then how many boxes we are going to make it 18? How many boxes we are going to make it 18? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.